most of the time. This is a famous statement by Jim Rohn, American author, entrepreneur, and motivational speaker. This inner meaning of this statement is that your rise, your success depends upon who you are company with, who we are making company with. Most of us, we do not believe that. And there was something suspicious about these. Some people may ask that even mixing with good people, I am not becoming the good people. Even mixing with very successful people, I am not becoming myself very successful people. How it is happening? It happens. It depends upon how, from the core inside your heart, your subconscious life, your subconscious mind, you are learning from the actions of the great people. But the reality is that we learn the good things very little, or we neglect to learn the good things, and that's why we cannot get the benefit of mixing with the good people, hanging in with the good people. But whereas many bad things attracts us most. If our neighbor is capable of buying some car, beautiful car, because of some money which might he have earned because of the bribe, we are more getting attracted of that, and we are getting inspired to take bribe ourselves, to turn our hands into the black. This is not a good thing. In such cases, your mind will be always in the gutter. You cannot get the fragrance of the lotus, you cannot get the fragrance of the rose in the garden. One of the disciples of great Indian monk and the spiritual leader Swami Vivekananda just suspiciously asked Guruji Swami Vivekananda that can you explain this, how it can happen? With a very simple example, Swami Vivekananda just explained these things, this reality to his disciple. One day in the evening, in the mode of the storytelling, he began to speak to his disciples that you all know, you all experience that rain falls from the sky, from the cloud, in the rainy seasons or due to any cyclonic weather. So how is that rainwater? Most of his disciples answered positively that that rainwater is very much pure. Exactly, Swami Vivekananda told them. It's exactly pure. If you can collect with some beautifully cleaned utensils, you can drink it and it will become a healthy. And in the reality also, the science also said that after raining sometimes, if any acidity inside that rain got dissolved, after that you can collect the rainwater and you can use just like the drinking water. But the same water, after falling in the ground, if it is going to the gutter, can you use it like a drinking water? Answer is no. Why? Because the same pure rainwater is getting in contact with the garbages in the gutter. The same thing happens in the human life, in the society. If we are mixing with the bad character people, the bad characters of the other people are definitely induced on us. But whereas if we consciously mix up with the good people, some sages, some great people, some successful people in their own field, definitely will become benefited out of it, just like collecting the clean water in very clean utensil. Yes, we can drink it also. And the same rainwater, if it falls on a hot plate, on a hot utensils, or during the summer seasons in a desert, what will happen to that rainwater? The same pure rainwater will get evaporated in no time. You will not get any trace of that rainwater. So now you can imagine the same rainwater. It can be effectively utilized as a drinking water. It can be drained and get contact with the garbage in the gutter. It can be evaporated. And sometimes it may create havoc to create the flood. So depending upon the situations, how it can be benefited to you, you need to select your friends in a very conscious manner. And then only you can make it true that you are the average of the five people most of the time you are being surrounded with. Always try to grasp something good quality from the people you are hanging in and inculcate some good ideas from inside and mix up all these things with the great things, and then you can make your life successful, and you will find one day that you are capable of taking the bull by the horn. Nothing can bog you down in that case. You will discover yourself that you are soaring high. You are in the rising path. So, question to you, who you are being company with? Good people or the bad people? Choice is yours. Ball is now at your court. Thank you.